Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cait on Vet Candy. I'm adding mayonnaise, and this is an avocado oil mayonnaise to make a chicken Dijon and lime, which is a quick and easy weeknight meal. We add 1 tablespoon of an avocado oil mayo, 3 tablespoons of a Dijon mustard to give it some of that tangy extra flavor without as much mayonnaise because we don't want it to feel overly creamy. And then for the lime part, I'm going to use both the juice of 1 lime and the zest of 1 lime. Okay. And then we're going to take 1 garlic clove, and this is one of my favorite little tools, this garlic press that'll allow me to just press it right in there and have all the little pieces ready to go, and whisk it together. And this creates the sauce that we'll pour on top of that chicken. I've already salt and peppered the chicken, and now this quick sauce goes right on top. And we can spread it all around so that when the chicken bakes up, it's covered in the sauce all over. And this sauce is really, like I said, it's got a little bit of cream from the mayonnaise, but there's a lot more of the zest and juiciness of the lime, giving it some tart flavor, and a little spice from that Dijon mustard. So now I have the chicken ready to go. We've added our sauce, which is a combination of the mayo, lime, Dijon, a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper. And you can put the sauce right on the chicken and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours if you want to meal plan ahead of time, or if you have something you're going to do later, or you can just put it on and it's ready to go. So now we're going to add it to the oven. I have the oven preset at 400 degrees. So here we have our completed chicken. It is our chicken Dijon lime. We added some mayonnaise, a little bit of garlic, some Dijon mustard, some lime juice, and some dried parsley. Baked it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 400, and now your quick and easy weeknight meal is ready to go.